Walmart customer service is available through multiple channels, but the fastest option depends on whether your issue is about an order, account, payment, delivery, or store purchase. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to reach Walmart support and what information to prepare, so you spend less time waiting. The fastest first step is usually the Walmart app or Walmart website. Open your account, go to your orders or account help section, and choose the option that matches your problem. Having your order number ready helps support identify your issue faster. For an order problem, check the order details before contacting support. The status page can show whether the order is processing, delayed, canceled, shipped, or ready for pickup. This information helps you explain exactly what went wrong. If you need help with a Walmart delivery, check the tracking information first. The latest update can show whether the issue is with Walmart Fulfillment or the delivery carrier. For account issues, make sure you are signed in to the correct Walmart account. Many problems happen because customers use a different email address or account than the one connected to the order. When you contact Walmart customer service, have these details ready: your order number, the email or phone number connected to your account, the item involved, and a clear description of the problem. A simple explanation usually works best. Instead of saying only that something is wrong, explain what happened, when it happened, and what solution you need. If your issue involves a store purchase, payment problem, or return, check Walmart's help options first, because some issues are handled differently depending on the type of purchase. You can also check the Walmart Help Center for common questions before contacting an agent. Many basic issues, like order updates or account settings, can be resolved without waiting for support. The best way to get faster help is to choose the correct support category. Keep your order information ready, and explain the problem clearly. To sum it up, use the Walmart app or website first. Check your order details before reaching out, and prepare your account information before contacting support. Try these steps the next time you need Walmart help, and subscribe for more practical fixes for shopping apps and online services.